do like doing more creative stuff. I'd say that is probably where I find the most personal like interest in. But I think because I so quickly learned that it was tough to make a living there, I haven't done it as much as I wish. But the more you actually spend time doing it, the more you realize like there's a really niche thing that's a part of this like broader career that you like. So I would say experiment as much as you can to find that like really unique niche of yours, because that's how you get a job.